Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video I have the Imou Q2C indoor camera, a device that provides 24/7 protection for your home, all for a great and affordable price. Before we begin guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Q2C is one of Imou's newest products from their indoor camera range. It's an indoor device that provides 24/7 protection using its 1080p full high definition camera, which also records at night using its infrared night vision to provide clear and visible footage. However, one of the newest features that Imou have included in this camera is the AI human detection feature that quickly identifies human targets and activates the camera's motion and sound detection. When activated, alerts are then sent to the user's smartphone to highlight the abnormal sound and movement. In addition, the device also has a built-in microphone that lets you talk through the camera, as well as multiple storage options available, which I will be discussing later on. Finally, you can connect the Q2C to your Wi-Fi network. However, please note that the device will only support a 2.4 GHz network. In terms of storage, you have three options available which you can use to store the footage captured by the Q2C. Images and videos can be stored on a micro SD card which supports up to 256 GB, saving the cost of purchasing a cloud subscription. However, if you want the flexibility and convenience of a cloud service, the Q2C can also use the cloud storage service available. Finally, you can also use NVR to save recordings as well. Inside the box, you get the Q2C camera, as well as one micro USB power cable, one power adapter, one mounting plate for the Q2C camera, and finally instructions on how to set up the device. The installation process is pretty straightforward, if you're not mounting this to a wall that is. Start by inserting the USB cable into the camera and then insert the second end of the cable into the power adapter. Insert the power adapter into the switch and that's pretty much it. Once you've completed the installation process, you will then need to download the Imou app, which you can get from the Google Play or Apple App Store. You will need to create a username and password, which is pretty much standard procedure for most apps nowadays. Once you've done that, you will then be presented with the home page where you can see a list of all your devices. To add the Q2C camera, start by clicking the plus icon which can be found on the top right. The app will then prompt you to scan the QR code which can be found on the back of the device. Once done, follow the steps on screen and your device should now be available to view. Overall, the Imou Q2C is definitely a great product to have, especially if you're concerned about the security of your property, or if you have a little one at home and want to keep that extra eye on them. The artificial intelligence alongside the sound and motion detection, which alerts you via notification, makes this product a must-have purchase, all for a great and affordable price. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Imou Q2C camera from Amazon for around £25. However, Imou have kindly sponsored today's video and provided us with a 20% discount code which you can use at checkout. If you'd like to purchase the Imou Q2C and receive the 20% discount, then you can find the link to purchase from Amazon in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Do you also like to have security cameras in your home or property? And what do you think of the Imou Q2C? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews and I'll see you all in the next video.